Hello guys, very warm welcome to the another YouTube channel video. In today's video I will show you how to downgrade from beta iOS to the official iOS version. Currently I am running iOS 16.1 beta profile on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. If I go to the automatic updates section, it will say that my iOS is 16.1 and iOS is up to date. I will go back to general. Before doing this step or before coming back to the iOS official version, make sure that you will back up all your data onto your MacBook or Windows PC or into the iCloud, because there is a huge chance of losing your data if something goes wrong. The main thing you have to do is go to settings and then you have to go to general, and then you have to scroll down to find the VPN and device management section. When you go here, you will see the iOS 16 beta software profile which we have installed during the beta version installation. You have to delete this profile. So once you click on the beta software profile, you'll have an option to remove profile. So once you hit remove profile, it will ask for the phone password. I'll type the phone password quickly and come back. So once you type the phone password, it will ask either to remove or to cancel. I will hit remove, and then it will say that restart is required. So once you restart your phone, it might take several time to apply the changes. I'm also very new to the process, so let us see whether it will download iOS 16 onto the device or it will directly downgrade from 16.1 beta to 16. Guys, in day-to-day life, if you are having only one iPhone and if it is your main phone, then it will be very difficult for you to deal with the bugs that come up with the beta profile. Beta operating system is very nice to explore the features for a week or two. Then if you are using it regularly, it will be a problem for you. Sometimes most of the features doesn't work or the phone will hang. Now I will see what version is there in my device. Okay, I'll go to the software update section. Now it is saying that unable to check updates. I will try again. It is again saying that unable to check updates. Since I have removed the beta profile, it is the official version now. So it might take a couple of days or time. It is still on the iOS 16.1 version. So now I have removed the beta profile. So if I reset the device, I might get the original iOS version. This is how it is. You remove the beta profile and come to the original operating system. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video of another YouTube channel. If you have any doubts like this, or if you want to see any how-to videos, please put the comments below so that you can learn through my videos. I will have the content right away to you to show how to do that and how to do this. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click that bell icon near the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this with your loved ones.